Hey, this is Chap Ornova. Today I'm going to show you how you can get access to the Ultimate Google Ads Checklist Guide for 100% free. What I do in the beginning is I kind of give you a little tidbit of what this is about. So I always read this part of every single one so you understand what you're getting, okay? This step-by-step guide is packed with proven strategies to help you define campaign goals, conduct effective keyword research, create compelling ad copy, and optimize your landing pages, okay? So if you're in this day and age and you need more traffic and you don't have time to wait on, search engine traffic and you want to get things going very fast, you want to make sure that you understand Google Ads. And that's why we put together the Ultimate Google Ads Checklist Guide for you guys. That's 100% free. It's basically going to take you from A to Z. It's going to take you from the top, like I said, with all the checklists that I do, and take you step by step, basically what you need to do, okay? Google Ads can be confusing, but as long as you have a good guide, that's why we have this checklist, then it makes it a lot easier for you, okay? So basically, like I said, what we've done is, I want to give you a little backstory. We've created actually 20 different checklist guides. We call them the Best Digital Marketing Checklist PDF, okay? They're PDF files. And we created 20 of them because basically over the last couple months, people were asking about over 100 people different kind of questions about different marketing things for their business. So basically what we did is we came up with, 20 different checklists that would help people with the biggest questions that they had. Okay. So basically, I'll finish doing this one here real quick and then I'll show you. But basically all you have to do is just click right here, click add to cart, and you get this for 100% free. It's very, very simple. Okay. And the link will be below this video. And if you need to know more about the Ultimate Google Ads checklist, your breakthrough strategy for high converting campaigns, you can scroll down here and you can see more information, to see if this is for you. I know it'll be for you. Like I said, it just, everything online feels like it's so difficult until you have some type of guide or a checklist, a checklist like, the Ultimate Google Ads Checklist Guide, okay? So basically what you can do is you can download this. What you can also do is, I always tell people in the videos, I don't think I said in the beginning of some of the other videos, but you can actually download this image right here. And then basically once you get the PDF file here, you can actually take this and you have the rights to do whatever you want, meaning you can take it, create it into an opt-in page so you can start building an email list, because that's the most important thing you can ever build. Everybody always says, do ads, do this, do that. All that stuff works and it works great. Like I said, that's why I made the checklist. But you want to have an asset that every month that you can actually send out to your subscribers and help them or show them different offers that you believe could help them. Okay. So make sure you get this today, the Ultimate Google Ads Checklist Guide. It's going to really help you a ton. And then also you'll be able to use this to build an email list, which everybody needs. This is 100% free. So basically you just build that and you can start getting leads today. Okay. Basically there'll be another link below where you can see all the other 20. Okay. What I would do is I would just click on favorites right here and then do it on your phone. And I would pick the ones that you want to do right now, or maybe even the one that you're working on right now in your business. A lot of things in this day and age is information overload. And that's the last thing I want for you guys, because I put together all 20 to make sure people can take their business to the next level. So figure out which one or which ones, maybe just a couple of them that will help you right now. But if I give you the best advice, just work on one at a time and then just come back here and get the next one. These are always going to be free. This is just a way for me to, for us to give back to you guys, because, we want to help you and want you to have success. And like I said, the link to this will be below the video also. If you ever have any kind of questions below this video in the comments area, please post them there. I'll get back to you as soon as possible to help you take your business to the next level. If you're on our site here where you're downloading stuff, you can just come here to contact us and go to our support desk, and we will help you with any kind of questions that you have. Okay, so make sure you take advantage of these 20 free checklists that we call the Best Digital Marketing Checklists that are PDF files. Links below this video. And then make sure you download this today right here. You just click on add to cart and go through the process and you'll get all this for free. This is Chap Ornova. Thanks again. Thanks for watching the video. The next video that I'll be doing, talking about the next one, will be the ultimate Facebook personal profile checklist. Okay, so stay tuned for that video, and I'll see you in the next. All right, have yourself a great day, and I hope this takes your business to the next level and you enjoy these guides. Oh, one more thing. If you could just share our video on YouTube and other platforms to get this out. We had over 100 some people, contact us in different ways. And this just allows us to get it out to more people with your help. So if you could post it on Facebook, Twitter, which is X, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Reddit, and anywhere else that you can think, it would help us greatly. Share it with any friends and family that you think that would enjoy this, and it would help them if they're thinking about starting an online business or maybe even in their local business. All right. Talk to you soon. See you in the next video.